Guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Chaturya. Today I'm going to share with you how to remove dark spots and acne scars in just 7 days. So let's see what are the ingredients we need to make this mask. The first ingredient we need is 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Next is half a lemon. Then we need turmeric powder. And lastly we need tomato juice. Firstly, let me tell you how to make potato juice. To make a potato juice, you thoroughly wash a potato with a clean water. Then you have to cut the potato into small pieces and grind them. Now take a clean cloth and put all the potato paste in it. Squeeze out its juice and that's it. Your potato juice is ready. Firstly, take 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Then add a pinch of turmeric to it. And squeeze out half a lemon. And then add enough potato juice to make a smooth paste. Adding all the ingredients, mix it well to make a lump-free paste. Apply a thick layer on your pigmented areas or all over your face and leave it for 30 minutes and wash with lukewarm water and pat dry. Repeat this process twice in a week and you will see the results. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, it means a lot to me, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Watch my previous videos. I will keep the link in the description box below. Take care and I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.